Welcome back to SmartSkillPath Reviews, where tech meets performance. Today, we're diving into an incredible pre-built gaming PC that's ready to impress. It's powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 5600, an RTX 3050 graphics card, 32GB of RAM, and a 1TB NVMe SSD. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or designing, this setup promises smooth performance and silent cooling. And let's not forget that stunning ARGB design that lights up any room beautifully. Right out of the box, this desktop feels premium and well-crafted. The tempered glass side panel showcases those ARGB fans, creating a soft, inviting glow. The airflow is clean, cable management is tight, and the overall design screams modern elegance. Perfect for content creators, gamers, or anyone who appreciates a clean workstation vibe. Now, let's break down the specs that make this machine tick. First up, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600, a lightning-fast 6-core, 12-thread CPU for seamless multitasking. Next, the NVIDIA RTX 3050 with 6GB of memory delivers solid performance for 1080p and 1440p gaming. With 32GB of DDR4 RAM, you'll have plenty of memory for heavy multitasking and creative workflows. And that 1TB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD, it ensures blazing fast boot times and quick file transfers. Connectivity is a breeze with built-in Wi-Fi, multiple USB 3.0 ports, and HDMI 2.1 support for next-gen monitors. So, how does it perform in real-world scenarios? In gaming, titles like Call of Duty Warzone 2 and Cyberpunk 2077 hit over 100 FPS on medium-high settings. You'll enjoy stable frame pacing and minimal thermal throttling, making for a smooth experience. For creative work, programs like Premiere Pro and Photoshop see noticeably faster render and export times. Thanks to that NVMe SSD and the powerful Ryzen CPU, you'll breeze through your projects. Thermals and noise? Those ARGB fans keep things cool, averaging around 65 degrees C under load. And the noise level is surprisingly low for a case of this size, which is a huge plus. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this setup. On the plus side, it's powerful for both gaming and productivity, and it looks stunning with those RGB fans. It's ready to use right out of the box, with no assembly required, making it super convenient. Plus, it strikes a perfect balance between performance and price, which is hard to find. But there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The RTX 3050 isn't designed for 4K gaming, it's best for smooth 1080p play. And if you plan to upgrade to a bigger GPU later, you might want to consider upgrading the PSU. Overall, this PC is a sweet spot for gamers, editors, and designers who want speed, style, and stability without breaking the bank. So, is it worth it? Absolutely. If you're after a high-performance all-in-one pre-built that looks amazing and performs even better, this setup is a win. I've dropped the Amazon link below so you can check the latest price and specs. Remember, buying through that link helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. Shop this PC on Amazon, link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for more SmartSkillPath reviews, where we blend smart tech, affiliate tools, and digital freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.